For decades, ambitious professionals clawed their way up the corporate ladder, dreaming of corner offices, first-class flights, and weekends in the Hamptons. But the game has changed. The smartest ones aren't climbing the ranks anymore. They're leaving the building. Gen Z isn't interested in the corporate job hunt. They're too busy building their own online empires. Their heroes aren't Fortune 500 CEOs. They're digital nomads and internet entrepreneurs. They see the corporate trap for what it is, and they've chosen to play a different game. I'm Andrew Henderson, and I help people turn their passion into a thriving online business. The old system, office politics, performance reviews, and waiting years for a 3% raise is crumbling. The best talent isn't chasing promotions anymore. They're monetizing their skills, building audiences, and creating businesses that don't require permission. For decades, we were sold a broken blueprint. Take on student debt for a degree that may or may not pay off. Land a good job that can barely keep up with inflation. Work tirelessly while middle management takes the credit. Sacrifice your best years in hopes of retiring before your body gives out. But Gen Z isn't buying it. They watch their parents get laid off after decades of loyalty. They see how companies reward seniority over skill, and they realize the only way to win is to play a different game. The most ambitious people today aren't seeking job security. They're not afraid to take their shot because they've got nothing to lose. What do they want instead? Ownership over their work, freedom to live on their terms, unlimited upside, not a capped salary. And it's not just Gen Z. The smartest professionals in every generation see the shift happening. How do I know? Because I'm one of them. For 15 years, I was a software engineer earning six figures, but I knew I would never achieve financial freedom unless I built something for myself. Not long ago, starting a business was risky. It meant taking out massive loans, renting office space, hiring employees. But today, all you need is Wi-Fi and a niche. Social media replaced traditional marketing. Digital products eliminated overhead costs. AI is automating entire business models. One-person businesses are winning. For the first time in history, a one-person business can out-earn an executive at a Fortune 500 company. Sam Altman predicts billion-dollar one-person businesses are coming, and he's not wrong. A writer builds a $1 million newsletter, a designer sells templates and makes six figures in passive income, a fitness coach launches an online membership and quits the gym grind. They're not playing small. They're not side hustling. They're replacing the corporate system with something better, and it's working. The future of work is already here. This isn't a trend, it's a generational shift. The most successful people in the coming decade won't be employees. They'll be creators, founders, and builders. People guided by passion and ambition, who took control of their work and their future. They're not relying on a single paycheck. They're not waiting for permission. They're designing careers that align with their values. And those who don't move with the times, they'll be stuck watching it happen. Corporate culture is dying. Will you go down with the ship, or will you join the revolution? If you're tired of waiting for your boss to decide you're worthy of a promotion, or worse, you're just sitting around waiting for a financial windfall, here's what to do instead. Find your leverage. What skills, insights, or experiences make you valuable? Build your audience. Share what you know. Start today. No followers, no problem. Just start posting. Create something. A product, a service, a newsletter. Your knowledge can be your source of income. Sell before you're ready. The biggest mistake? Waiting for perfection. Start making offers. Iterate and grow. The game isn't about getting it perfect, it's about getting started. The people who win won't be the ones who waited for someone else to give them something. It'll be the ones who started building something today. If you're ready to start, check out my course 5-Star Creator. Still searching for your passion? Take my free questionnaire to help discover what you're meant to be doing. Links in the description. The future belongs to creators and entrepreneurs, not employees. Make sure you're on the right side of history. Now you can't say you weren't warned. I'm Andrew Henderson, and I help people turn their passion into a thriving online business. If you enjoyed this video, as always, be sure to like and subscribe.